Welcome back students in Holy Angel School and Junior College online classes. Class 7 Geography chapter number 8 How seasons occurs. In previous video students we discussed about the perihelion and heliphilian. Today we are going to discuss the position of the earth with its tilt axis on 21st June and 22nd December. When any one of the poles inclines the most towards the sun is 23 degree 30 minutes parallel of that hemisphere receives the perpendicular sun rays. The sun rays are perpendicular and equator on 22nd March and 23rd September, which are the days of equinox. After 22nd March, Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere receiving the perpendicular rays sequentially. Only on 21st June and 22nd December, the sun rays became perpendicular on the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn respectively. These 2 days are called the solstice days. Students, when the sun rays are perpendicular on the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, when 21st June and 22nd December, and these 2 days are known as the solstice days. Sun rays are never perpendicular on any of the parallel between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic in the North Pole or between the Tropic of Capricorn in the South Pole. 21st June is the longest day and it marks the shortest night in the northern hemisphere. Students, 21st जून को longest day कब होता है? northern hemisphere में होता है और shortest night नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में होता है. लेकिन 22 दिसंबर makes the longest day in the south hemisphere and 22 December is the shortest day in the northern hemisphere. The region from the Arctic Circle, the North Pole, the sun remains visible for 24 hours or longer. At the North Pole, the sun is visible in the sky from 22nd March to 23rd December. Students, when in the Arctic Circle में जब sun rays 24 hours sun visible होता है, कब से 22nd मार्च से लेके 23rd सितंबर तक for 6 months. Similar situation prevails in the region between the Antarctic Circle at the South Pole. The period from 23rd September to 21st March. Note that the equator, the duration of day and night same throughout the year. अगर साउथ पोल में डे है तो नॉर्थ पोल में क्या होता है? नाइट होता है. कब? आर्टिक सर्कल और अंटार्कटिक सर्कल में. आर्टिक सर्कल में अगर 22 मार्च से 23rd सितंबर तक डे 6 मंथ डे रहते हैं तो 22 मार्च से 23rd सितंबर में नॉर्थ पोल में क्या होती है? नाइट होती है. Seasons have been decided on the basis of the duration of sunlight, equinox and the solstice. The equatorial region does not experience any change of season. Hence, the climate in that region does not change at all the year. In places beyond the equatorial region, in either hemisphere, summers or winters are the experienced one after the other within a year. Occurrence of the seasons one after other in a year lead the cycle of seasons. Generally, there are 2 seasons, summer and winter, on the earth. However, in some places, seasons are taken to be a 4 in all. Students, because of the sunlight और ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द बेसिस ऑफ द सनलाइट एंड इक्विनॉक्स एंड द सोलिस्टिक की वजह से जो सीजन्स अकर होते हैं, 1 by 1 सीजन्स आते हैं, उसे सीजन साइकिल कहा जाता है. और अर्थ के ऊपर मोस्टली 2 ही सीजन है, समर और विंटर. बट सम पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ दे अकर द 4 सीजन. The changes in the atmosphere, vapor in the air, the wind and the precipitation also influence the season. Continuous occurrence of the rain in a specific period give rise to an additional season basis besides summer and winter due all the local conditions seasons and other summer and winter are seen to occur in different parts. For example, rain occurs in India in a specific period, therefore we consider the four seasons such as summer, rainy season, period of the reacting monsoon and winter. There are four seasons in Europe, North America too. They are summer, autumn, winter and spring. स्टूडेंट, जैसे कि मैंने अभी बताया कि सनलाइट, ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द सनलाइट, इक्वेनॉक्स एंड द सोलस्टिक की वजह से सीजन्स अकर किए, लेकिन हमारे इंडिया में 3 सीजन अकर होते, लेकिन नॉर्थ अमेरिका, यूरोप में 4 सीजन है, समर, ऑटम, विंटर और स्प्रिंग. द साइकिल ऑफ सीजन एंड द लिविंग वर्ल्ड. If the earth axis were not tilted, some climatic condition would have prevailed throughout year. The seasons would not have condition would have prevailed on each of the different parallels. It is the tilt of axis that leads to occurrence of seasons change and diversity on the earth. The living world on the earth is affected by the cycle of seasons. For example, the region between 66 degree and 90 degree in both hemispheres, even the mild sunlight available for a part of the year give rise to certain flora and fauna. In the Antarctic region, at the southernmost part of the earth, birds like penguins, fish like seal and animals like virelias are found. In the polar region of the northern hemisphere, animals like the reindeer, polar bear, Arctic foxes, etc. are the found. People living in this region too have adapted to the natural conditions prevailing in that region. Or adaptation to climatic conditions is possible only up to certain limit. That is why organisms prefer to certain habitat during extreme cold climate condition. When the food supply becomes a number of birds and animals migrate temporarily. Trees bear fruit in the particular season. Therefore, agricultural season also depend on the local climatic condition. In polar areas, snow line shifts north or south according to season. This is affect migration of the birds and animals. Students, जैसे कि cycle of season is depending on the duration of sunlight, equinox एंड सोलेस्टिक की वजह से साइकिल ऑफ सीजन होता है. उसी तरह ये साइकिल ऑफ सीजन को हम ह्यूमन बीइंग ने भी क्या किया है, अभी अडॉप्ट किया है. हम उसके कंडीशन के तरह हम अपने खुद को भी उस ढांचे में ढालना सीख गए हैं. उसका इफेक्ट हमारे ह्यूमन बीइंग के साथ साथ एनिमल्स के भी ऊपर होता है. जब उस जगह का एटमॉस्फेयर उनके लिए प्रतिकूल नहीं होता है, अनुकूल नहीं होता है, तब वो क्या करते हैं, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह माइग्रेट करते हैं. जैसे कि बहुत से बर्ड विंटर सीजन में इंडिया में माइग्रेट करके आते हैं, जैसे कि फ्लेमिंगो या अदर बर्ड्स है, वो क्या करते हैं, माइग्रेट करके इंडिया में आते हैं. उसी तरह हम लोग भी अभी वो एटमॉस्फेयर के हिसाब से खुद को वो एटमॉस्फेयर हमने क्या है अडॉप्ट किया है, और उसका इफेक्ट हमारे एग्रीकल्चर के भी ऊपर दिखाई देता है.